Hey there, friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about sharing fun and practical life hacks. Today, we've got a unique trick for keeping your watermelon fresh for up to 10 days. Trust me, you won't believe your eyes when you see how easy this is. First, grab a nice, ripe watermelon. You don't need anything fancy, just make sure it's fresh. Also, grab a knife, a spoon, and a bowl. We're about to turn this watermelon into something magical. Step 1. Cut off the top of the watermelon, just like a lid. You'll see why we need this later. Be careful with that knife, we want this to look perfect. Step 2. Now, grab a spoon and start scooping out the inside. Make sure to get all the juicy goodness out. You can save that for a refreshing snack or juice later. Once you've emptied it, you should have a whole watermelon shell. This is our magic box. But wait, it gets better. Step 3. Time for the magic. Fill the watermelon with whatever surprises you want. I'm using a mix of fruits, but you can throw in candies, snacks, or anything fun you want to surprise your guests with. Imagine their faces when they see this. Now, just pop the lid back on and it looks like a normal watermelon again. But we know there's something magical hiding inside. Alright, time for the reveal. Open the watermelon lid, and boom. There's your surprise. It's a fun and unexpected twist for your next picnic or party. And there you have it. The watermelon magic box. Super easy, super fun, and it's sure to impress your friends and family. If you like this hack, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more fun life hacks. See you next time. So, here's what you need to do. Start by slicing off the top of the watermelon and setting it aside. Next, take a fork and poke holes all around the edge of the rind. Once that's done, simply replace the top slice and voila! You've got yourself a magic box that can keep your watermelon fresh for days. But wait, there's more. I decided to put this hack to the test by taking a full watermelon all the way to my office on the 12th floor. The results were amazing. It was still cool and delicious when I gave it a try at work. So there you have it, folks. A fun and easy life hack to keep your summer treats fresh and tasty. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Until next time, stay cool and creative.